As it is known that Form 26Q return is required to be filed when payments are made other than salary to a resident. However, it seems difficult to manage different type of tagging for normal, lower and nil deduction, multiple sections and different challans adjustment with different deducted details, adjustment of excess deposit with multiple deducted details. Don't worry, there is a quick way to manage all this in one place. Do you want to know how? Hello everyone, my name is Saloni from Webtel, and today in this video I am going to guide you step wise to file Form 26Q in the quickest way possible. So stay tuned. At the time when a deductor makes a payment other than salary to a resident, then there is a need to deduct the TDS on a certain amount. There can be two cases that should be taken into consideration while deducting the TDS. Firstly, when the paid amount exceeds the threshold limit during a financial year. Secondly, to be aware of the payment section in which the deductee falls for the TDS deduction. Here we need to know what is the meaning of threshold limit. The threshold limit means the amount of payment up to which no TDS is required to be deducted. Along with the same, it is a must to keep in mind the nature of payment as well, because it defines the rate and section for a tax deduction. Further, when it comes to filing a Form 26Q TDS return, there are some obligations to pay attention to, like different payments under different sections, deduction at specified rates, by person responsible for payment or credit, at the time of payment or credit, but in a specific case when the deductee has already filed the declaration form, that is Form 15G or 15H, the deduction for the same will be either at a lower rate or at nil rate. Now, before heading towards the process, let's look at the information required to file Form 26Q beforehand to avoid any inconvenience. First, we require details of deductees whose TDS has been deducted, like PAN of the deductee, section under which TDS has been deducted, rate of tax deduction, date of payment or credit on which the payment is made to the deductee, and the date of deduction on which TDS has been deducted. As we know what information is required, so now let me take you to my desktop screen to show you the process of filing Form 26Q. Now we are going to look at the process of filing Form 26Q through TDS software. Firstly, we need to create a company master, and for the creation of company master, click on Create Company Master option, and here you need to provide the detail of your deductor, or you can say the detail of your company. Red marks are the mandatory field in the company master, otherwise your data will not be saved. And in the company master, here are three sections over here. So firstly, you need to provide the company information like name of your company, address information, mail ID of your company, telephone number of your company. Then you need to select the organization type, whether your organization is a company or body of individual, etc. from the drop down list. Then you need to provide the PAN number of your company, TAN number of your company. You can verify by clicking on verify option. If GSTN number is available, then you can provide the GSTN number of your company also. And in the third section, here you need to provide the detail of the responsible person, like who is the signing authority of your company. So you need to provide each and every detail which are marked in red color. Here you can see I have provided the details which are marked in red color. And after providing each and every detail, click on save button and your data will be saved. Then you need to click on OK button. Similarly, if you want to create another company master, you can create another company master also. Then you need to click on close button, and after the creation of your company master, you need to go to the master tab. Then you need to click on select company, or you can use the shortcut key Control Q. And after clicking on that, the list of the created companies will appear. So you can find your company by entering the name of your company, PAN of your company, or you can search your company master by the TAN number. Like I am going to enter the name of my company, and the detail of my company will appear like this. So I just need to select my company master and my company will be selected over here. It will take few seconds for the selection of company master. And here you can see the company which I have been selected by me is the name of the company will reflect on the top, TAN number along with the financial year. After the creation and selection of company master, for the process of Form 26Q, firstly we need to create a resident party, and for the creation of resident party, you can click on create resident party master option, or you can use the shortcut key F9. Here you need to provide the display name of your party and the party name will reflect automatically over here. Then you need to provide the PAN number. Red marks are the mandatory field over here. Other fields you can provide just for the recording purpose. Then you need to select the status of your party, whether your party is a individual company as per the PAN number. Then you can verify the Aadhaar number of your party also. Then you need to select the section information, and here you can select multiple section option from the list also. Like if you are going to select 194, then you can also select 194D and other section also. Then you can validate the PAN number of your party over here, whether you are providing a correct PAN number of your party or not. So you can click on validate PAN and your PAN number would be validated through traces department. Similarly, in case if you want to deduct the TDS as per the special rates, then you can click on set special rate option, and here you can provide the lower deduction rate over here, and your TDS would be deducted as per the special rate selected by you. And after providing each and every detail, click on save button and your data will be saved successfully. Then if you want to verify whether your person or your party is a specified person under section 206 AB or CCA, then you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no to proceed further. Then in case if you want to import the data of your parties in bulk, then you can go to the master tab, then you can click on party master, and then you can click on blank party master template. And after exporting or downloading this party master template, you can import the data and you can import your party master data in bulk in WebTDS software. Similarly, many more options are also available in party master. Like if you want to check the created party master detail, then you can click on modify record and the created parties list will appear over here. In case if you want to validate the PAN number of each and every party in bulk, then you can go to the bulk PAN validate option, and here you can validate the PAN number of your each and every party in bulk through this option. And after providing the details of your party master, you need to click on fill payment detail option, or you can go to tax deduction, other payment to resident, new record option. Here you will be able to enter the data related to your tax deduction. You can select the name of your party from the list, and then you need to select TDS deducted. Here you need to select the section under which TDS has been deducted by you. Then you need to provide the amount on which TDS has been deducted. Date of payment you need to select, and the amount will reflect automatically as per the amount entered by you and as per the rate selected over here. And threshold limit of each and every section will also reflect over here. Many more options are also available in tax deduction. Like if you are going to deduct the TDS at a normal rate, then this option will be selected. In case if you have selected the special rate option, then you can select certificate from IT department option, and your TDS certificate detail will reflect over here. Similarly, as per the selection, your amount and rate will reflect over here. After providing each and every detail, go to the save button and your data will be saved successfully. Similarly, you can enter the detail of other tax deduction of your parties also. After that, you need to click on tax deposit, then you need to click on new record option, and after clicking on that you will be able to see a challan information over here. Here you need to select whether you are going to deposit a single section challan or whether you are going to deposit a multiple section challan over here. And if you are going to select the multiple section option, then you need to select the return type also, whether you are going to deposit the challan for form 24Q, 26Q, 27Q. Like here I am going to select 26Q. Then I need to select the quarter for which I am going to make the payment or I am going to deposit the challan, and then I need to click on details, and here my total amount of each and every party will reflect over here. Then I need to add the bank information over here, and then I need to enter the bank challan number, and after that I need to click on save button. If any interest amount is available, then a message will appear for the calculation of interest. You can click on yes to proceed further, and your data of your challan will be saved successfully. Then you need to go to the reports option. Then you need to select the return type, whether you are going to generate a form 24Q, 26Q. And after the selection of your return type, you need to select the quarter, and as per the selected quarter, challan detail, deducted detail and challan wise deducted detail will reflect over here. Then you need to click on generate file option. Then here a message will appear. If you want to update the GST number, then you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no to proceed further. And if you are filing the return after the due dates, then a message will appear that you are going to file your return after the due date. Then you can click on yes. Here you need to select whether you are going to file the TDS return for this deductor for the first time, or if you have filed the returns earlier also. If you have filed the returns earlier, then you need to select yes, and then you need to provide the token number over here. Otherwise you can click on no, and then you can click on proceed further. Then an alert message will appear. Then you just can click on yes, and then another message is also appearing like tax deposited is more than tax deducted. Then you can click on yes also. After that you need to select the location on which you want to generate your file. Then you need to save the text file, and then a CSV file window will appear over here. You need to enter your captcha, and for entering the captcha you don't need to on your caps lock. Then you can click on OK and leave your mouse, and after that a file validation utility will appear. Here your files will be selected automatically. Like as you can see over here, in the first browse your text file will be selected, in the second browse your challan file will be selected, and in the third your folder would be selected automatically. As you can see, the extension of first file is .txt, second .csi, and third is our folder, and the last one is your folder. So if any errors are there, then you will be able to see a message like this, and then you can rectify your error, and then you can generate your file again. And at the end, a file validated successfully message will appear. Then you need to click on OK button, and each and every file will be generated in the selected location. So as you can see, 27A is generated and FVO file is also generated over here. So this is the process of filing form 26Q through WebTDS software. See how quick it is to file form 26Q with Webtel's WebTDS. If you want to know more about WebTDS solution, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.